Hey everyone, it's Brianne here. Make sure to hit subscribe and like this video. I do DIYs, try-ons, hauls, unboxings, you name it. Let's go. Hey all, it's Brianne. Today I am here with another Stitch Fix unboxing and haul. Today's a little bit different because I'm going to be completely 100% surprised. I haven't opened the box yet. You guys can see, still taped. I just pulled out this at this exact moment. So I will definitely link Stitch Fix what it is. You guys can also check out some of my other videos that I've done. I think this is probably like my third video that I've done. This is my 22nd fix. So my stylist system was Ada. So it gives me all of the details of everything that she picked out for me and sizes. So I will use that as I go through. Mainly I'm gonna do a first impression because I've never done that. I always have either already tried it on when I'm talking to you guys, or I've sneaked a peek and then I'm like going through it. So first, oh my god, what is this? This was a good video to do first impressions because already I'm like, what the heck? Okay, this is called the 41 Hawthorne Benny Wrap Front Mask Crepe Knit Top White in a 1X. So my guess is it's a wrap top. I'll definitely do a try on so you guys can see what this stuff looks like, but yeah, this one is $44. I already can tell you I do not like this print at all. This is not something I would wear. It does feel really nice, so maybe in the try-on I might like it because it feels nice. I don't know. But we have first item. I'm thinking like a no. Not sure yet. Okay. Oh, a dress. Next we have, this is Fortune and Ivy Chandler Lace Scallop Dress Black 1X, and it is $64. This is actually kind of cute. So it has, this is a, okay, scalloped. It does have a zipper in the back, and it is lined. So there's a lace layer, and then there's this like polyester-y feeling. It looks super 90s to me, and I love the 90s. I think I like this. I'm gonna have to try it on because 1X might fit me a little bit snug. Hopefully it fits though. You know, I've been eating better and working out. Hope a 1X will fit. And this one again was $64, so not a bad price. Not mad at it. Not at all. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is heavy. Ooh. So this is a Liverpool Bradford Moto Denim Jacket Black 1X. This one is $98. It's kind of a lot. So it is a Moto Jacket. It actually feels, it says it's denim, but it's super, super soft. I can actually try this one on right now since it's a jacket. It's weird because today it's like 90 degrees outside. Oh, it fits a little snug, but I kind of like it. Oh my god. It's $98, but honestly, like, it's, oh my god, it has, that's cute. Okay, I don't know about this, but this jacket, $98, it feels really nice. Like, it might be worth the $98. Oh, I like it. Oh my god, I actually, like, feel so badass in this. Super cute. I've always wanted a Moto jacket, but they usually only have them in, like, like vegan leather, which I don't really like. I'm not gonna buy a leather jacket. I'm not a leather person per se. I prefer vegan leather. But I actually love, so cool. Ooh. Now we have Vigos Lycra Skinny Distressed Jeans Indigo 16 wide. Sorry, I totally just did not pronounce that correctly. And these are $68. 16 wide usually fits me. I recently just bought a bunch of jeans. You guys will see in my my most recent, or my upcoming, what are they called? Oh my god. Oh, Boohoo haul that I did buy a lot of denim. So I'm not really looking for denim, but I do love a good distressed jean. The bottom is frayed. I'm not a huge fan of light wash. I actually just bought some darker, like a light wash, but a little bit darker. For me, super light wash just isn't, I just don't care for it. So probably gonna say no to those. Okay, that's all the clothes. Oh, okay. This is, I think, a first for me. So here is the bag. And we have Market and Spruce Lily Stretch Gore Suede Booty Gray in size 9. These are $99. Okay. These are really cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? So it has a stretch. I will have to for sure try these on. I'm like borderline 9.5. It didn't say wide, so sometimes my foot's not super wide, but I like the heel. It's not too high, but you know, cute. The other one is going to be exactly the same, just the other foot, obviously, but just, I kind of like these. They look super gray in the light. They're a little bit darker in person. Let me get something dark to put them up against. So this is the black jacket. You can kind of see, ooh, it does look super light. It's not as light as it looks. So these are $99. I for sure want to try these on. If these fit, these might be a good addition. When it comes to shoes, I have a pair of low top Chucks, high top Chucks, Doc Martens, and a pair of exercise shoes. They're Nikes, and a pair of Toms. And that's, actually I just bought a pair of flats for an interview. But I don't like to have too many shoes. I don't like to have more than like 10 pairs of shoes. And then of course I have like flip-flops, but those don't count. But this might be cute for work, depending how comfortable they are. So we'll definitely try them on. I like the bag. It's cute. I don't think I've ever received shoes from them. So it's kind of interesting to see. One thing I like about Stitch Fix is they give you this little style card, so it shows you how you can style everything that they gave you. And my stylist, who is Anna or Anna, she said, welcome back to your fix day. How have you been since the last fix? I was so happy to see you love some of the items. I had a great time reading over your profile and learning more about you and your personal style. I love styling this fix, and I think you're going to be so pleased with what you'll find inside. Please don't hesitate to let me know if there were any specific styles or trends you'd like to see more of. Feedback makes the magic really happen. I know you're a fellow lover of dark colors, and I also noticed you love the fit and flare out dresses I've sent in the past, so I cannot wait for you to try out the Fortune Ivy black dress, which could look great layered under the Liverpool jacket paired with the boots. What do you think? I can't wait to see what you think of this fix. Enjoy and be well, Anna. So she actually was spot on because the 3 items that I loved were the boots, the jacket, and the dress. So I will definitely do a try on and show you guys what all those look like because they're so cute. One thing I'm going to add that I noticed is that Stitch Fix now offers Afterpay. So if you're not familiar with Afterpay, I use it all the time when I shop now. It's there's different like companies, I guess. There's Afterpay, Affirm, Settle. I've used them for different sites I've shopped on. But one of my biggest concerns with Stitch Fix is sometimes I love the quality of items. For instance, this jacket, I love the quality, but at the moment, I don't have like $100 I could spend on a jacket. So I'm super excited to try out using Afterpay, because I do use Afterpay when I shop on Boohoo or Shein or Cotton On or many of the other websites that I go on. So I'm really excited because it opens up my options, and I for sure want to keep the boots, the dress, and the jacket. But yeah, also, dude, look at these eyelashes. They are intense. I just bought a bunch of makeup and I want to try to start wearing false eyelashes. You guys comment with tips and tricks because I suck at these. I used to wear them all the time when I was in my mid-20s. Then I stopped for a good, well, you don't even know how old I am, but I stopped for a long time. And I want to start wearing them again because when I go back to work, I'm going to have to wear a mask. And I like want my eyes to be super pretty and expressive. Okay, and also ignore these eyebrows because I have not had them done. I am not good at drawing them in, obviously. That's why I'm kind of so far and why I keep my hair down in my vids. But yeah, guys, tips and tricks for eyelashes. I know you will have them. I actually got them on where they don't look horrible. And these are actually like, they're super thick. So I like went extreme on these. But I just had to like point that out because I'm proud of this one. This one, ugh, took me like forever. And then you guys, here are my final thoughts that I had during my try on, kind of telling you what I'm gonna keep and what I am returning. Okay, so first I'm starting with the two things that I do not like, and I kind of knew I didn't like, but now I know for sure, and I'm not gonna keep. So this is super duper high. It just doesn't feel flattering. The jeans are like way too tight. I think they're supposed to fit lower. Usually 16 is my size, so I'm super sad that they don't fit. I'm really, really excited for this jacket. I wish it wasn't like 85 degrees today because I'm so hot in it right now, but I think it's super duper cute. The boots, I like. I was thinking like for work, but they're not comfortable enough to be able to wear for an 8-hour day where I'm on my feet for 8 hours. So I'm probably gonna say no to the boots. The dress, I love. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. Like, when will I wear it? I don't go out. You know, there's not really events right now. I might just have to pass. What I like about Stitch Fix is if you pass on something, just, you know, they keep track of everything, all your old fixes. I could go back and say, request this, like, hey, can I get this scallop dress? And if it's available, they will send it to you again. So I'm probably gonna say a no-go on these and the boots, but I am now gonna be on the lookout for boots like these because they're super duper cute. I think I just need them in like a 9.5 or a 9 wide. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, please, I kind of think it's fine so far. I'm still new, but I'm learning. And I'm excited to have more people watch because I really love making these videos. And all I can do is stare at my eyelashes right now. You guys, please send help. Send help. Again, have an amazing day. And I will see you later.